VECHAIN is a blockchain-based stage that means to further develop the store network, the board of organizations and associations. It has joined forces with different commonly recognized names in various areas. A portion of these incorporate BMW, Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology, and Oxford University. It was sent off in 2017 as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, before its own mainnet was sent off in 2018. In charge of VECHAIN is Sunny Liu, who once worked for Louis Vuitton China and fabricated enormous IT and Network Safety Foundation. Another fellow benefactor Jay Zhang is responsible for VECHAIN's worldwide corporate construction, monetary administration, and administration. VECHAIN has a public blockchain called VECHAIN 4. It empowers shrewd agreements, decentralized applications, dApps, on-chain administration, and that's just the beginning. Its local crypto resource has the ticker VET, which is accessible for exchanging on various trades. Since we have a little foundation on what is VECHAIN, let us continue to our VECHAIN cost forecast. Allow us to begin examining the VECHAIN value's new development. Specialized aspects of VECHAIN, VET. There are numerous viewpoints that make VECHAIN stand apart from the rest. One element that makes it exceptional is that as opposed to being a blockchain of all things, VECHAIN guaranteed a specific way to deal with foster its construction. One more is its capacity to mix centralization with decentralization. Along these lines, clients relish its rapid exchanges, straightforward data streams, and most particularly, effective coordinated effort. VECHAIN has laid out inventive answers for tackle genuine issues. For example, the VECHAIN stage can be utilized to follow the quality, validness, capacity temperature, transportation medium, and last mile conveyance of any item right from the assembling office up to the last conveyance, and finally, to the end client. To do this, VECHAIN uses shrewd chips or radio frequency identification (RFID) innovation that broadcasts key data onto the VECHAIN blockchain network, which can likewise be gotten to whenever by approved partners. Another VECHAIN use case is its dispersed record innovation (DLT). Through this, it can upgrade the cycles of any business alongside its inventory network, the executives. Subsequently, it can assist with working on the proficiency, straightforwardness, and detectability of supply chains. Exhaustively, VECHAIN empowers the two shoppers to find out the realness of each and every item being purchased. In accordance with this, VECHAIN additionally helps in both recording and checking each and every piece of information that comes in the store network development. This guarantees proficiency and security. Get the job done to say, VECHAIN is made to make the inventory network industry better. It is intended for the advancement and effectiveness of the store network area. In addition, VECHAIN innovation was grown generally to tackle and address the deficiency that numerous organizations face explicitly in the exchange processes. VECHAIN has helped in the reception of the Web of Things, IoT, in various regions of the strategic area. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2022. The diagram underneath shows that VECHAIN, VET, has shown a bullish pattern in the beyond couple of days. In addition, the VET cost has dropped 21.5% over the most recent 30 days. Assuming this pattern proceeds with the cost of VECHAIN, VET, could fall to $0.025 in help level and drop even lower. Alternately, assuming more financial backers enter the market, the bulls could dominate, in this way enthroning VET from its downtrend position, hence prompting an upswing to $0.043 at the RESISTANCE1 level, and even move higher to $0.186 at the RESISTANCE6 level, the bullish sign for 2022. In the meantime, our drawn-out VET cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a low chance of exchanging at another unsurpassed high over the current one at $0.2782 as per CoinMarketCap. Nonetheless, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. In the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, VECHAIN will reach $0.186 toward the finish of 2022. Besides, the primary portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to $0.043. Then this ascent will dial back, however no significant falls are normal. With impending associations and improvements coming to $0.2 is very hopeful in the sticker cost of view, however, without a doubt possible for the not so distant future. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2023. The cost of VECHAIN can move to even incredible levels, but coming to $1. Also, this is conceivable, provided that the market keeps up with its bullish pattern. Furthermore, provided that the cryptographic money VECHAIN breaks past the mental obstruction level. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2024. According to the most recent redesigns, advancements, VECHAIN cost forecast, and new undertaking conjectures of the stage, VET financial backers could expect numerous associations and mixes around 2024. Also, this could help the cost of VECHAIN in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture, as the cost can spike and stretch around $3. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2025. In the following 4 years, VECHAIN costs could exchange up to $5. Nonetheless, arriving at this level couldn't be so challenging for VECHAIN as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that VECHAIN has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 4 years according to the expectation. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2026. By 2026, the cost of VECHAIN, VET, would reach $10, since numerous people will have better information on digital forms of money, subsequently, expanding the interest in the business. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2027. According to the most recent redesigns, advancements, VECHAIN cost expectation, and new venture estimates of the stage, VET financial backers could expect numerous organizations and mixes around 2027. Also, this could support the cost of VECHAIN in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation, as the cost can spike and stretch around $20. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2028. In the following 7 years, VECHAIN costs could exchange up to $40. Be that as it may, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for VECHAIN as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This shows that VECHAIN has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 7 years according to the expectation. VECHAIN, VET, Price Prediction 2029. According to the most recent updates, improvements, VECHAIN cost forecast, and new task gauges of the stage, VET financial backers could expect numerous organizations and mixes around 2029. In addition, this